Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Philosophy is not a mental speculation. Philosophy is the prime science from which all other sciences are derived. That is philosophy. So, our Krishna consciousness movement is trying to educate people on this science of sciences, to understand first of all that what you are you this body or different from this body? This is essential. And if you go on constructing your big building on a defective foundation, then it will not stay. There will be danger. So modern civilization is based on this defective idea that I am this body. I am Indian, I am American, I am Hindu, I am Muslim, I am Christian. These are all bodily concepts of life. Because I have got this body from a Christian father and mother, therefore I am a Christian. But I am not this body. Because I have got this body from a Hindu father and mother, therefore I am Hindu. But I am not this body. So, for spiritual understanding, this is the basic principle to understand that I am not this body. I am soul. Aham Brahmasmi. This is the Vedic instruction. Try to understand that you are spirit soul. You are not this body. The yoga system is practiced just to understand this. Yoga Indriya Sangya. By controlling the senses, especially the mind is the master or the chief of the senses. Manas sasthani indriyani prakritisthani karsati. We are undergoing a struggle for existence with this mind and the senses under the false conception of identifying this body as self. So, if we concentrate our mind by controlling the senses, then we can gradually understand dhyanavaskrita tadgatina manasa pasyanti jam yogi. The yogis, they meditate upon the Supreme Person, Vishnu, and by that process they realize the self. The self-realization is the prime object of human life. So, the beginning of self-realization is to understand that I am not this body. I am spirit soul, Aham Brahma. So these things are very nicely explained in the Bhagavad-gita, if we simply read Bhagavad-gita carefully under proper guidance, then everything will be clear without any difficulty. That I am not this body, I am spirit soul, my business is different than this bodily concept of life, I shall never be happy accepting this body as self. That is a wrong foundation of knowledge. In this way, if we make progress, then we shall understand Aham Brahmasmi, I am spirit soul, then where from I have come. Everything is described in the Bhagavad-gita, that the spirit soul, Krishna says, the Lord says, Mamaivang sa jiva. These living entities, they are mine, part and parcel, fragment, or minute sparks, this big fire and a small fire. Both of them are fire, but big fire and small fire. So far, the fire quality is concerned, God and we are the same. So we can understand, we can study God by studying ourselves. That is also another meditation. But it will be perfect when we understand that although qualitatively I am a sample of God or the same quality, but still He is the great, I am the small. That is perfect understanding. Anu Vibhu, Brahma Parabrahma, Ishvara Parameshvara. This is perfect understanding. Because I am qualitatively one, it does not mean that I am the Supreme. In the Vedas, it is said, Nitya Nityanam Chetanas Chetananam. We are Nitya, eternal. God is also eternal. We are living being. God is also living being. But He is the chief living being. He is the chief eternal. We are also eternal, but we are not chief. Why? Eko jo bahunam vidadhati kama. And just like we require a leader, similarly, He is the supreme leader. He is maintainer. He is providence. He is providing everyone's necessities. We can see that there are elephants in Africa. Who is providing them food? There are millions of ants within the whole of your room. Who is feeding them? Eko jo bahunam vidadhati kama. So, in this way, if we realize ourselves, that is self-realization.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna